Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today I'm sharing street-style vegetable chow mein loaded with colorful veggies, perfectly cooked noodles, and bold street-style flavors. Quick, tasty, and perfect for any meal. Let's start the recipe. Boil water in a pot. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon oil. Add 150 grams spaghetti and boil for 8 to 10 minutes until cooked. Drain and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 to 3 garlic cloves and 3 tablespoon onion. Stir quickly. Add 3 tablespoons each of green capsicum, carrot, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, and 3 tablespoons cabbage. Cook on high heat for 1 minute. Prepare all vegetables before cooking. Add the boiled spaghetti. Season with half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon red chili sauce. Toss and cook for 2 minutes. Balance sauces to avoid overpowering taste. Colorful veggies make noodles more appealing. Chow mein is a popular Indo-Chinese dish. Stir fry on high heat for smoky flavor. Do not overcook spaghetti to avoid mushy noodles. Garnish with spring onion and serve hot. Chow mein means stir-fried noodles. High heat cooking keeps vegetable crisp. Vegetables provide fiber and vitamins. Homemade chow mein uses less oil. Stir-frying preserves nutrients. Portion control makes it a balanced meal. Your vegetable chow mein is colorful, flavorful, and perfectly tossed. Enjoy it hot as a main meal or snack. Try this recipe at home and share your experience. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more quick meal ideas.